Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video we are going to see how to make bread ka halwa. Heat 2 spoons of ghee in a pan and roast your favorite dry fruits. Here I am taking Kismis. In the same pan, add some more ghee and fry the square-shaped cut bread pieces on both the sides till they turn golden brown. Add equal quantities of sugar and water in a pan and make the sugar syrup. Transfer the roasted bread pieces into the sugar syrup. Add required amount of boiled milk to the soaked bread pieces. Add food color of your choice if required and cook it for some while. Add 2 spoons of Milkmaid to the bread and mix it well. Add milk in between if you want your halwa to be watery consistency. Garnish the bread halwa with the roasted kismis and badam. I hope you liked watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching.